Welcome to our comprehensive guide on electromagnetic simulation. Today, we're diving into an interactive physics tool that's perfect for understanding the principles of electromagnets. Whether you're a student, teacher, or science enthusiast, this simulation is designed to bring electromagnetic concepts to life. Let's start by walking you through how to use this amazing tool. First, access the simulation through the Singapore Education portal link provided. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface layout. You'll notice sliders for adjusting the number of coils, voltage, and rod material. To power up the electromagnet, simply use the switch provided. Now comes the fun part. Drag the rod close to the paperclips and watch the attraction in action. For data collection, enable the built-in data logger, and don't forget to use the graphing features to visualize your results. Why is this tool essential for learning? Well, it eliminates electrical hazards while maintaining realistic physics, making it incredibly safe. It's also cost-effective, as you don't need expensive lab equipment. Plus, it's accessible 24/7 from any internet-connected device, allowing for unlimited experimentation without consuming materials. The instant feedback reinforces learning concepts, and students can work at their own pace. What makes this simulation stand out? It features an interactive drag-and-drop interface that mimics a real laboratory. You can manipulate variables to test multiple factors and see real-time data visualization. The simulation includes various core materials like iron and steel for comparison, and you can adjust coils from 1 to 50 and voltage from 1.5V to 12V. There's even a data export feature for spreadsheet analysis and a reset function for fresh experiments. The scientific principles demonstrated are fascinating. You'll see how more coil turns create stronger magnetic fields, higher voltage increases current and strength, and iron cores produce the strongest electromagnets. You'll also observe how magnetic strength decreases with distance. To get the most out of your learning experience, start with baseline measurements using default settings. Change only one variable at a time for clear results, and don't forget to record your predictions before testing each change. Compare results across different material combinations to deepen your understanding. This simulation transforms complex electromagnetic concepts into an engaging learning experience. It's perfect for classroom demonstrations or individual exploration. So, dive in and start experimenting. What combination will give you the strongest electromagnet? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your electromagnetic experiments with us.